On the cutting edge of China's intelligent manufacturing, the Baka Ecological Smart Robotic Dog, developed by the Hainan Ecological Environment Monitoring Center, showcases innovation in the field of ecological protection through its exceptional technological integration and environmental adaptability. As China's first All-in-One mobile monitoring platform specifically designed for tropical island environments, it integrates various environmental monitoring technologies with intelligent mobility functions. This enables it to perform autonomous navigation and intelligent obstacle avoidance within the complex and variable conditions of tropical islands, efficiently carrying out multidimensional monitoring tasks such as aquatic ecology and ecological plot surveys. For instance, during practical missions in March 2025 in the tropical rainforest of Baoting and Miao, Autonomous County, and in May 2025 on Beidao Island in the Xisha Islands, Baka leveraged its mobility to access high-risk and sensitive areas that are difficult or unsafe for personnel to reach. It executed ecological plot monitoring and emergency surveys on a 24/7 basis, which not only significantly reduced operational risks for personnel but also minimized disturbance to the native ecosystems, achieving a greener and more efficient monitoring approach.